Well, hello there, guys. Today is Friday, September 8th, 2023, and I am fixing to head over to Tampa Bay Busch Gardens for Howl first night. They're officially open. Yesterday, they had a sneak preview for media. Unfortunately, I am new to YouTube, and I am trying to get invited out to media events, but have not had any luck so far. However, you can check out other people's videos of the media. I will not be able to show you any of that, and I will not be able to strap on the camera on my chest and go through the haunted house one by one like they did, but hopefully it won't be that busy tonight. It may be a little busy because it's Friday, but we have a little overcast skies, and the last couple of times that I went on opening day, it wasn't that bad, so we'll have to see. I'm not sure if they're gonna let me take my GoPro through the haunted houses or not, so if they don't, well, then I'm sorry about that. But all right, guys, I'm pretty excited to check out, you know, the food and the beverages that they have this year. They are open to 1. I probably will be leaving about 11 o'clock because I have to work in the morning. But anyway, guys, come on with me and let's go to Tampa, check out what they have to offer. Okay, I have made it here to Busch Gardens. I am in the parking lot, and we are getting ready to go in and have some fun here at Howl. I heard about the new house. I'm pretty excited about it, and I hope it's a great event. Let's go check it out, guys. All right, here we go, going inside Busch Gardens. Okay, so they have a new shirt that they didn't have here the other day when I was here with my wife. Tonight is the first opening night of Howl, which is why I'm here. I'll show you some merchandise. Here's the houses. The newest one is D.H. Bagham's Circus of Fear. They had a sneak preview here last night for a media preview, which I was not able to attend because I was not invited. Hopefully in the future I can get invited to a media events. That would be a lot of fun. So that's the back of the shirt. Obviously you have Howl right here. What is this? Oh, that's the front of the shirt. Okay, so it's just plain Howl. And then they also have some tumblers. Take me to Howl. And is this is a magnet. Okay, that's pretty cool magnet. It's a lot of fun there. Well, pretty cool. And then you also have these, I believe, are magnets as well. Yes, the painted skull from a couple of years ago. So yeah, a lot of these are plastic, not glass, plastic cups. Oh, it's got like a 3D skull inside. That's pretty cool too. Okay, now I'm going to show you this other shop that they got a lot of cool Howl merchandise. I keep wanting to say Halloween Horror Nights. Anyway, so when I walked into the park, normally they have people outside the park to scare you and stuff like that on your way in. I don't know if it's just because it's still daytime, they're not closed yet. I'm sure they're going to be pushing all that stuff out by 7 o'clock, so let's go check out the store. Okay, so they got this wild-looking pig guy here with the shirt Howl, and he's missing an arm. I guess he cut it off. And you got another guy over here with a bloodied scarf wrapped around him, potato bag, and he's got a guitar, Howl. Cool. Now they also have this little pantry here with the hanging pig's head. You got the shank there. Oh, look, you got somebody peeled his face off, put it on a barrel. Got all those guts there. It's a pretty cool room. Look at that guy hanging with his head between his legs. Okay, so they have this box here. It looks like cereal. It's actually a shirt, Howl shirt. Scarlet letters. You got the alphabet cereal there. Devil right there. So it's pretty cool. They got a lot of cool merchandise this time. Little orange Howl shirt. I want to mention that a lot of their shirts are smaller than they actually say. So if it says XX, it's an extra large. So I like to wear an extra large, but I had to buy a double X for my shirt, and I need a 3X because they run small. All right, take a look at all this stuff here they got. Some coffee mugs. Oh, look. Time for a coffin break instead of coffee. It's pretty cool. Candles and hourglasses here. Little table. Wow. Pretty cool. There's that shirt again.
For what?
Also, they have this glass case here, unique gifts. And I noticed a lounge flag here, if anybody's interested. I haven't seen a lot of lounge flags at Busch Gardens before. They have a black rose and a white one with a little blood on it. That may be porcelain, I believe. There's another look at the lounge fly, how they'll scream. And there's also another one that I showed in my previous video. And a cool skull with a hand mark on it. Oh, I just noticed this. An apron with 2 knives in it, covered in blood. Looks like I'm at work. Hello, Scream. We're going into the circus. Going into the circus. Popcorn and snacks right here. Hello.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you. Dark in here, guys.
Since you gone and lost your head.
Ooh, it smells good in here. dark in there, it's hard to see. But I really enjoyed that house. It was kind of short. I would not say it's the best house in the world. I will say that I liked Deathwater Bayou better. But it is a lot of fun. I'm going to go on it again. The line was long, but it went pretty fast. All right, let's go on to the next one. Okay, we are heading into the junkyard. It's finally open. Let's go in here and see what they got to offer. Coming in, not. Oh, killer panda. Got a rabid dog here.
Lots of fun things to enjoy at the junkyard.
Motel Hell right there. Motel Shelburne. Whoa. Uh-oh. This guy just got ripped apart up here. Oh, check this out. Pepperoni. My dogs love that stuff. Wow. It's fancy, stuff. What we got in the fridge? Deathwater Bayou. Hello.
Well, look out!
Uh-oh. Wow, you got a big old gargoyle or fly, some kind of monster class deceased. Oh, check this out. Spinning head. Hello. Season. World's biggest campfire. Another Deathwater Bayou time. Oh, these are people from last season. They didn't make it out. Slender Man.
Fresh meat, sexy!
Busch Boulevard. Uh-oh.
You're dead meat!
I made it out with my life. Alright, getting ready to go into the Witch of the Woods. Alright, one. Alright, now it's going to be dark in here as well, but hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit more. Try to get my reaction a little bit on here. Ooh. Now they do not allow any lighting like cell phones, stuff like that, so. Turn this around for a second.
Ray White saying, run! Face fears here.
Someone else said run. Don't call, Ray.
inside. It's gonna be dark in here. Let me turn it around again. Hopefully you can get my face. Burst of air at my hips. So my first thoughts of this house, I have been on this house or through this house 3 or 4 times before. It's always the same house. Problem with Busch Gardens is they have too many, well, not enough many people throughout the house. There's a lot of empty spots that there could be people hiding behind things to spook you. This is one of their least scariest houses, in my opinion. All right, let's go get something to eat. I'm hungry. All right, so I'm over here by Zagora Cafe, and I just noticed a sign that says burger special, 2 burgers served with fries and 2 fountain drinks for $35. I don't know what world that's a special. $35 for 2 burgers, fries, and 2 drinks. But, you know, this is theme park food. That's what you get. Add our signature cheesecake for only $8 more. And that's not the actual size of the cheesecake. It's very small. So, yeah. Not as special, in my opinion. Now, I'm on my way over here to the Serengeti Outlook because they said that there's food in there. Usually it's pizza and stuff like that. I was not too thrilled with the Dragon Fire Grill. They do have a show that goes on there, but they don't have the normal food that they normally have. And as I said before, Smokehouse Grill is closed. Okay, so I made it up to the top of the Serengeti Outlook, and they said there was food up here. Apparently on the tables there's things you can scan with your phone and you can order food. Unfortunately, my phone is dead at the moment, and there's no way for me to order food, so I would say the best thing to eat here is Chick-fil-A when you come to Hello Scream. And it is double the normal price, but it's good food. Alright, hello. So, I am not sure exactly what time it is right now, but I just sat down to eat because I haven't really eaten anything all day, and I had a hot dog, a bacon cheddar hot dog, and chips. Let me tell you something. Very disappointed that Chick-fil-A is not open. This stuff I ate right here, I didn't even eat it all. The worst hot dog I've ever had. The bacon was terrible, the chips were stale. I mean, I understand it's theme park food, but for the price you pay in here, the best thing I had was a Coca-Cola. The rest of it was garbage, and I mostly spit it out. I am having a good time tonight, but probably gonna do one more house and head out of here. It's very lackluster. The new house that I went through, it was good, not great. Not worth coming here unless it's the first time you've been here. I understand I'm saying negative things about Busch Gardens, but if Busch Gardens would do it right, I would give them all positive. I'm not going to be a person that gives positive feedback on negative stuff. I live life like everybody else, and most YouTubers that you watch, most of that's all a fairy tale. They don't have perfect lives. They argue, and they have problems just like us, but they edit it all out and they don't show you. So anyway, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna go. That's it, and I do edit some of my stuff too. But all right, let's go hit one more house. It's too dark to do in the house. You're not gonna be able to see me, but I'll do one closeout before I leave. Let's go, guys. All right, right now I'm going through what's called Raven's Mill. They got pumpkins everywhere.
You're doing awesome.
Okay, well, that does it for me here at Busch Gardens. Hello Scream. I am going home for the night. I am allowed to come in here the first 2 nights of Hello Scream for free, tonight, tomorrow night. After tonight, I will not be back tomorrow night. There's not enough to see here if you've already been here enough. I will say, you know, they have a long way to go. COVID really wrecked things. The benefits for tonight was actually relatively slow. Could have done more houses, and it's actually pretty cool out here. It's not very hot, maybe a little humid, but not too bad. The bad part would be the food and the food selections. So, I mean, and the houses are very subpar, and also there's not enough people around. This is a big park, and there's not enough people in the park to scare you. So, you know, if this makes Busch Gardens not like me because of my comments, well, then so be it. But anyway, please subscribe, like, comment. Please help me build my channel. I'm really trying to grow, and I'm having trouble growing because I'm not getting a lot of views. And I'm trying to put up videos, but I do have to work also, so I don't have all this free time to be running around and going to all these parks all the time. And it costs me a lot of money. I am not making any money on YouTube as of now. If I could get invited to media events, that would be the best thing I could get. So, alright guys, as always, I'm crazy for Moorhead. Put in the comment section what you're crazy for. Give me a like and follow. Goodbye guys. See you next time.